Good morning, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation. This is a continuation of my last video. This is about change of density. So let's start, guys. Make this a little bigger. Okay. So the MB Max Panama is required import at a maximum drop of 13.0 even keel in water density of 1.025, meaning he is required to arrive at port of even keel of 13.80 in a density of 1.015. Okay, so that will be his arrival drop at berth. Now calculate the target resulting mean drop in saltwater density outside the port, meaning what will be his drop when he is still at the water in a saltwater density of 1.025. Okay, so meaning he's still outside or away from the berth or in the open sea. What will be his drop at salt water prior to arrival at berth with the density 1.015, and arrival drop will be 13.80. Okay, now to make things easier, I just apply this conversion. Okay, conversion. What is this? Conversion of density. So this will be from dock water to salt water, and this one is from salt water to dock water, meaning from his arrival drop here, what will be his drop at the open sea? Okay, his arrival at berth is 13.80, which is this one, which it says. So 13.0, that will be even keel at berth, and the density is 1.015. Okay, so excuse me. So we put here 13.80, and the density is 1.015. Okay, 1.015. What will be his displacement? Okay, so 13. So we go to the hydrostatic table. That will be 13.80. So you put here 13.80, and the displacement will be 82108. Okay, 82108. So you put here 82108. Okay, and salt water will be constant. So to compute for the salt water from dock water, the formula is displacement of dock water times your dock water density, or your DD, or local displacement or local density, over your standard of constant of salt water. So what is displacement of dock water is 82108 times your dock water of 1.015 over 1.025. Multiply this one, that will be 88339.62 over saltwater 1.25. The answer would be 8130.695 or 81307. So with this corresponding drop, with this displacement, what is the drop? 81307. Okay. We again go to the hydrostatic table. 81, that will be 81307. Okay. And the corresponding drop will be 13676. Okay. 13676. Then you put here 13.676. Okay. That will be 1368 if run off. Okay. And this, on the other side, this is from salt water to density. This is already automatic. So you're from salt water going to dark water. So your displacement of water of your salt water density is 81306.95. With this one, the mid drop is 13676, which is this one. And your dark water is 1.015, which is this one, and salt water of standard of 1.025. So your displacement of salt water is this one, 811306.95 times your seawater over your dark water of 1.015. And the results will be dark water displacement is 82108, which is this one, 82108, and the drop will be 1380. So 82108. Okay, 82108, 82108, 82108. That will be 13.80. Okay, which is this one. Exactly 13.80 and 13.80. Okay. Now, if we use the program, we go to Form 8, Form 7. Okay. This is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes and mean drop. Okay, the local density at birth is 1.015, 1.015. Okay, and his arrival at birth is 13.018 even keel. So put your forward 13.80 and up is 13.80. Okay, so that's your main is 13.08 and you have zero trim, so that's even keel, and this will be your arrival density at birth. And you don't add or discharge cargo. So at sea, what will be your drop? So you put at sea is 1.025, which is salt water, 25. And this will be your main drop at sea, which is 13.67. Okay. This is the answer. It's asking only for the calculate resulting mean drop at saltwater density is outside port, which is only the mean drop, and the answer is 13.678. And to continue with this formula, your drop forward will be 13.65, up will be 13.70, and mean drop will be 13.68. It is already round up, okay? And your trim is 0.56. Okay, so with manual computation, I'll show you the manual. The final drop is forward is 1365. Okay, 1365. Updraft is 1370, and the manual is 1371, and the main drop is 1368. The main drop here is 1368, but to be exact is 13676. Okay, but the manual, the main drop is 13676. That is the actual figure of the main drop, which is 81307 to be round up. 13676, and the program is the same, no? 676. Manual is 676. Okay, but if you look here, the program, the updraft is only 1370. Okay, 1370. If you put your 1370 minus your 1365, your trim will only be 5 centimeters or 5 centimeters. But here, his trim is 0.56, almost 0.6 centimeters. Oh, see? So that's why the manual is 6 centimeters. But anyway, I will proceed with this manual. By the way, to use this program, all you have to do is put your density at birth, put the drop forward and up, and the next thing to do, you don't add cargoes, you don't discharge. All you have to do is put the density of the seawater outside the berth. Then it will now give you the forward drop and up drop and main drop and your trim. So it's very that simple. Okay, with this program, he will give you the forward and up drop. Okay, while in the conversion of density, you put only the displacement, the drop, and the water density. Then he will give you the displacement for salt water. Then you have to look for the 8137. Look for the hydrostatic table of 31. What's that? 31? How much? Again, 81307 displacement. 81307. That will be 81307, and your drop will be 13678. That will be here, 13678. If we click this one, that is 13676. 676. That will be 676, 13676. But yeah, almost the same, 676. What only matters is this conversion doesn't give you the forward and up drop. Okay, it will give you only the displacement and the drop. And from this one, you can convert it from salt water to dock water, reverse. So you put here the saltwater displacement, which is this one, 8306.95. You put the mid drop, which is 13676. This is one. You put the water density. This is standard. Then it will convert the quarter will be 82108, which is equal to this one, and your display drop will be 1308, which is this one. So this is convenient, guys. So this is the answer to these questions. So very simple. Okay. Again, you just input the quarter density, your forward and up drop. Then if you have no cargoes to add or discharge, put it nothing, and you put your density of seawater 1.25, then he will automatically compute for you for forward drop, up drop, main drop, and your trim. Okay, but anyway, this program is solved by this manual operation. This is the manual operation. So we have here number 1, the Evenkill of 13.08 and 0 trim. Number 2, what will be from the hydrostatic table, you look for the LCF of 13.08. Okay, 13.08, 13.80, 13.80. What is, I think the LCF is 060. Okay, 060 is asking only for the LCF of 060. And the LPP of the vessel is 215. Then number 3, we go to, so that will be number 2. I'll show you in the program. Number 2 is LCF is 060. The LPP is 215. Then we go to number 3. What will be his LCF? LCF will be 13.80. So we go to number 3. Number 3, the answer LCF is 13.80. Okay, and the displacement is 82108, which is the same here. So to get the mid center rotation, this is the formula: trim times LCF times LPP, and the resultant will be mid center rotation 13.08. And the program, which is number 3, this is the formula: mid center rotation is trim times LCF over LPP plus mean drop, which is this one, guys. So trim times LCF over LPP plus mean drop, and the resultant will be 13.80. Then we go to number 5. Okay, compute for the initial LCG. So the next number 5. Okay. On number 4, we have already this. Number 4, we have used the mid center rotation. Take the hydrostatic table, corresponding displacement. Look for LCB MTC. So look for with the displacement, look for LCB and MTC. So that will be number 4. We go to number 4. Number 4 will be number 4. Which number 4? Number 4, this one. So with this drop, look for the look for the LCB and MTC. Okay, the MTC is 99530, LCB is 99530, MTC is 99530, and LCB is negative 635, and negative 635. Okay, that will be in number 4. Then number 5. So you go to number 5 now. Number 5 will be you'll be looking for the initial LCG, which is 6.35. So the formula is find the ship's initial LCG based on the trim and displacement. To find the initial LCG is trim times MTC times 100 over displacement plus LCB. And the answer will be negative 635. And number 5, manual computation is this one. Okay. Trim times MTC times 100 over tabulated displacement minus LCB. Your trim is 0 because even kill. Your TPC is 99530 times 100 over your displacement of 82108, which is this one, plus your LCB of negative 6.35. Multiply this one, that will be 0 over your displacement plus your LCB. This one will be 0 plus your LCB of negative 6.35. Then your initial LCG is negative 635. Okay, which is this one, number 5, negative 635. Okay, now we go to number 6. Number 6, initial displacement. What is the displacement? Displacement will be correct displacement to true displacement initial display by applying the effect of density. So that will be this one. Applying the effect of density. Number 6. That will be displacement, which is 82018 times your density of local density of 1.015 at birth over your salt water. Then the resultant will be displacement of 81307 and the corresponding drop will be 13676. So displacement will be 81307. 81307. If you round it up, that will be 81307. Okay? 81307. And number 7. Number 7 will be initial displacement. So you have this on 8137. So this is already okay. And number 7, find the ship's final displacement and total LCG moment. Final LCG after loading or discharging. Final displacement equals initial displacement plus weight loaded, weights discharged. But in this case, you don't have to discharge and add cargo. So your final displacement is the same of 30806 and your final LCG will be negative 65 and your LCG moment is 51629, which is the same here, guys. So after number 6, you go to number 7. Number 7. Okay. You go to number 7. Okay. So your initial displacement is 81306, which is 76, which is this one, guys. And that will be this one. It is by decimal, and your LCG is this one, guys. LCG is this one. Initial LCG is negative 635. Multiply LCG by your weight. you will have LCG moment. Okay, since you didn't load or discharge cargo, so it will final displacement will be the same with this figure. So with your LCG moment and your LCG, final LCG will be negative 6.35. To find the final LCG is LCG moment, which is this one, divide with your displacement of this one. So LCG moment divide with your displacement, then final LCG will be negative 6.35, which is the same with your initial LCG because it's an even kill. Okay, that will be number 7. Okay, that will be 7. And number 8, your final LCG is negative 635. Number 8, your final LCG is negative 635. Okay. Now the final displacement is 31,306.94. This one is got 31,306.94, the same. And your final LCG moment is 516,299. 516,299, okay, the same. And your final LCG is the same. Okay, now we go to number 9. Go to number 9. So number 9 is, this is number 9. Correct the final displacement to look up displacement due to the effect of density to find the mean drop. So look up displacement, final displacement times 1.25 over local density. And that answer to that will be 81,306.95. And that will be number 9. And manual is look up displacement times 1.25 over density of 1.25, and the answer final displacement will be 813,069.9. 813,069. That will be 81306.9. Okay, the same. And the corresponding displacement number 10 will be 13.76. And the corresponding displacement will be 10 will be 13,676. Okay, 13,676. 10 will be 13,676. With this drop, what will be the corresponding LCF, LCB, TPC, and MTC? So we go to 13,676. You go to the hydrostatic table. 13,676. You put here 13.676. And the TPC, what will be the TPC will be how much? TPC is 64.64. Okay, 64. TPC is 64.64. Okay. MTC is 99239. 99239. 99239. LCB is 642 negative. 642. 642. LCB negative. And what's next? LCF is 054. LCF is 054. LCF is 054. Okay. So it's all the same. Drop of 13,676, 13,676, and displacement is 81307. Displacement is 81307. Okay. Then we go to 11. This one is the same with this one. Okay. So we go now to 11 to compute for the trim. And his trim, my trim is, we go now 11. Okay. We go to 11. This final trim will be 05559. To get the trim, 11, the formula is, final trim is LCG minus LCB times corresponding displacement over MTC times 100. And by manual computation, 11 is displacement times final LCG minus LCB over MTC times of 100, and transpose, this is your final LCG of negative 635. Okay, this is negative 635. This one, or your final LCG is this one. Okay, final LCG, and your LCB is negative 642, and this one. So transpose, your displacement is 3181307 times LCG of negative 635 minus 6.42. So deduct this one, that will be minus this one, that will be 0.07, your displacement, okay, over your MTC. What is your MTC? Is 99239 times 100, okay. So multiply this two, that will be 59691. Multiply this two, that will be 99239. And your trim will be 0.06 positive, okay. When you're positive, meaning you are trimmed by the stern, okay. That will be number 11, and number 11 is, so the manual is run up to 06. Then number 12, you find out for change of drop forward. This is the formula, 1/2 LPP over 2 plus LCF over LPP times your final trim. Then your change of drop up will be final trim minus change of trim forward. So we now compute for the change of drop forward. Manual computation is this one. Change of drop forward equals 1/2 LPP plus LCF over LPP times your trim. So what is your LPP? Is 215. What is 1/2 of 215? That will be 105.7. Okay. It says here 1/2 plus LCF. So you add this together. That will be 10804. Okay. That you have here 1804 over 215 times your trim of 0.06. This is your trim. Okay. So divide this one, that will be 0.0502512 multiply with your trim, and your change of drop forward is 0.03. Okay, that will be change of drop forward, and change of drop up will be, to find the change of drop up will be trim minus change of drop forward. So your trim is 0.06 minus change of drop forward is 0.03. Then your change of drop up will be 0.03. Okay, that will be 12. What will be answer for 12? Okay, then the forward and drop will be will be computed. So 12, 13. Now you apply your main drop. Your main drop is 13.68. That is already that is your main drop. Okay, main drop. Okay, that is already. Then you highlight. Okay. So with your main drop of 13.68, you add your change of drop forward, which is 0.03, and up will be 0.3. You add this one, you subtract this one because you are trimmed by the stern, meaning you are more drop up. So you deduct this one, so your forward drop will be 13.65, and you add this one will be 13.71. The program says 13.70, okay? But manual, I put it to 13.71 because if you minus this 13.71, your up drop minus your forward drop, that will be 0.06, which is exactly the same with your trim of 0.06, okay? That's why I made it 13.71. So forward is 13.65, up is 13.71, your main drop is 13.68, trim is 0.006. That's why you are trimmed by the stern. Then another solution, put your main drop minus your change of drop forward, which is 0.03, and your forward drop will be 13.65. You add your trim of 0.06, then your up drop will be 13.71. Okay, and the same here, you are trimmed by the stern. Now if you look at the figure here, your final LCG is negative 6.35, and your LCB is negative 6.42. If you analyze these figures, the final LCG is behind the LCB, which is LCB is negative 6.42. So meaning LCB is a little bit forward or ahead of LCG if you analyze this one. Okay, so what happens if your final LCG is behind the LCB? The rule is, it says here, if LCG is above or behind LCB, then you are trimmed by the stern. So with this figure, you would only analyze that final LCG is behind of LCB. So that's why you are trimmed by the stern, because if LCG is above or behind of LCB, then you are trimmed by the stern. Okay. Then the another explanation is, okay, if this is your midship, okay, when you say final LCG, it means the weight of the vessel plus the weight of cargo or whatever weights on board. The gravitational pull of the weight of the vessel and the cargo will push the vessel downward. Okay, since you are behind LCB, so the stern of the vessel will go downward. Because you are behind the LCB. So the weight of the vessel plus the weight on board, all weights on board, will push this stern downward because of the gravitational pull. But when you speak of the buoyancy, it means the water pushing the vessel upward. When you speak of buoyancy, since she is in the forward part of your midship or forward of your final SCG, the tendency of this buoyancy of water is to push the forward part upward. That's why you have an arrow here going upward. So if this goes upward, this one goes downward. It's like a seesaw. Okay, So when this forward part goes upward, you will have less drop. Okay. If this one on the stern part goes down, then you will have more drop. That's why you have less drop up and more drop up. Less drop forward and more drop up. Okay. That's what it meant. Okay. And speaking of measuring this forward LCG, which is negative, so from amidship, you measured from amidship going forward because it is negative when you measure forward. So LCG is from amidship measure up to this vertical point of 6.35. So with your LCB, which is also negative, so measure from amidship going to 6.42, which is your vertical line here. So is forward of your final LCG. Okay. So that's it, guys. So take note that your final manual computation forward is 13.65 and up is 1371, which is a little difference with your program of 1365 forward, only that up is 1370 and your main drop is 1368 and your trim is supposed to be 13.06, but it's already, this is by computation by the program. Again, I will repeat, guys. All you have to do is put your local density here, put your initial drop or forward and up. Since you don't discharge cargo or add cargo, so leave it blank. Then put your arrival density. Then automatically he will give you this main drop and your forward and up drop and your trim. Okay, and then you will have your deflection. With this formula, it is the same with this conversion of from dark water to salt water. This is this one. Okay, but here you only have to get your displacement and main drop. This is your main drop. Okay, what is main drop? That is only for the main drop. Okay, what is it's only for main drop. Okay, what is that is only for main drop, while the program it will give you the forward, up drop, main drop, and your trim. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a good day.